Welcome to Wise Up Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about the remarks section. Dawn Armstrong has let me use her listing as an example. Her listing is on 2116 Glenarm. Let's go there. We're going to open up the listing. And we're going to scroll down to the remarks section. There are three areas in this remarks section. The first one is broker-only remarks. These are remarks that are going to another member of the MLS, another broker. These are not made public. So these remarks written here are going to be things that the other broker who might bring you a buyer needs to know. Just remember, these are broker to broker remarks. They do not get published into the consumer world. The next section is public remarks. This is the description of the property or the residence, the dwelling. This is going to the public. This is going to another broker's buyer when printed on a flyer. So these are public remarks that could go to a broker, well, help if I could spell, a broker's buyer. No forwarding remarks are allowed. This means no phone numbers, no email addresses, no names. Names could be a mortgage lender, a developer, a contractor, or your name itself. No, no, no. This is only property-centric comments. The last section is syndication remarks. This is going to the consumer anywhere, anyhow. In this section, you can actually put your name, something like this. Call Dawn Armstrong at Your First Choice for Realty. We want the consumer to call you directly to show the house, to be interested in the house. This is for you to get your name out there because it is not going to a buyer, it is going to the consumer. This cannot have any kind of no URL, no email or web address, and no phone number. Why? Because Zillow and Realtor.com are sophisticated, and if they see that, they will kick it out. They will not let it be printed. But calling your name, call Dawn Armstrong at Your First Choice Realty, they let slide. It goes in there. So just remember, broker-only remarks are broker to brokers, non-public. Public remarks might go to a broker's buyer, so you cannot have any forwarding remarks. No phone numbers, no email addresses, no names. But in syndication remarks, you can have your name. Call Dawn Armstrong at Your First Choice for Realty. Do not put your URL, do not put an email address or a web address, and no phone number. And there you have it. That is Welcome to Wise Up Wednesday.